All right guys, what is going on? It's been a hot minute since we've done a cool little video. Just been busy. The last update I think is when we did the wheels and tires, which has been great. We will be hitting the truck pretty soon. I'm just waiting for my brake pads to show up, and then we'll be doing an install video on the new rotors and pads and all that. But today is gonna be a good day, simply just because we got some beautiful Mugen taillights to install today. And what's that? Well, fix the awful lightning that's above me, that's been here forever, that we picked up off Amazon months ago, that we're gonna install right now. Well, apparently the light that was up there does work. It was just not spun in right, but we're still gonna throw this thing in right now. Oh, it comes with two of them. I thought it was just one. Oh, that's cool. And it has a bunch, I get two of them? Oh man, this is gonna be sick. I really need to get an iPad or a tripod. If you guys saw how bad my lighting situation, or my stand situation is. Oh, don't mind Ivy here too. She's been screaming at me to let her inside. Well, that's absolutely like night and day difference. Like, it's even better than that one. I didn't realize it even has one like right in the middle too, which is, it's probably gonna get blown out, but it's really good. So now it's way better back here. I still need to get some lights up here or some like spotlights or something, but it is overall just way better down here now. I'm really impressed. All right, now that we got the light situation, let's go ahead and start installing these Mugen taillights. I'm excited. There's two 8mm screws. Take those out and these just pop right out. Imagine the old owner did probably maybe have a set of taillights, because I'm pretty sure the owner had a full build on this thing at one point. There we go. Get out. And there. Taillight's officially out. Let's throw, let's see here, how much time do I got before my chicken's done? Oh, 2 minutes, we got lots of time. All right, and then we're just gonna put the new one in. Ivy, can you not play with that, please? I figured out after a little bit of swearing and what the F's, I figured out I gotta pop this little grommet off, or push it in. There we go. Push it in. Bam, that's one done. All right, got the keys. Let's, ooh, that sequence is freaking sick, dude. Let's put these screws back in. Damn, those are sick. I like them a lot. All right, let's do the second one. Lighting's kind of bad on this side, I'm sorry. We'll figure something out eventually. Second one out. Yeah, I know, Ivy, thank you for congratulating me. There's also to know that there's a switch on here, which I'm gonna test out right now before I throw this one in. All right, so we saw the old one, or the last one, how it, a little sequential. What happens when I turn that off? Oh, I see, it's just a straight amber, where this has a nice little, what's it called, sequential. Yes, Ivy, this is how it's done. This is the proper way. I'm not hack jobbing, I swear. Yeah, I'm not. And that is on. We will put these two screws back in. Those a little wipe down. Excuse the dirty car, I literally just washed it, but we had a bunch of rain come in, so that's why it looks dumb. All right, back from meal prepping, kick the cat, open the garage door so it's not so fucking hot and muggy in here. And we are going to install these little bad boys. There we go. I just realized there's no way to, there's no power in these ones. That kind of sucks. That's disappointing. Wonder if you can add a light to it? Oh, okay, I guess that's how it fits on both sides. There's a tiny little gap. This little gap here that I was kind of tripping about, but it's like that on this side too. Guess it's just how it is. Now we'll just deal with this side. It doesn't have a light or anything like that, and it's just a reflector, I guess. Now here's the final product. I do feel like for some reason there's a bigger gap on this side, but maybe, nah, maybe not. Well, having a garage room really exposes how dirty my car is. Let's do a sequence here. That is much nicer. Or will I not put the reverse light on? If I'm just gonna quickly button this all back up and we'll do a startup. I'll have it set up and then we'll see what it looks like together. Okay, everything's put back together. Hope that one clip that broke doesn't cause us to rattle. Otherwise, we're gonna have to take it all out just to replace that. But let's do a startup and see how it looks. Whoops. Damn, that looks sick. I'm gonna throw in reverse real quick and then I gotta say, overall, these are pretty cool mod to do. Let me just grab a microfiber just so I can have clean taillights in a dirty car. I don't know how I felt about these when I first kind of saw them or picked them up, but I definitely dig them. I am like a big OEM taillight guy, just because usually OEM taillights for most vehicles are kind of tacky or just something else. Like on the Evo X's, how all the V-Land and like even like the Varis ones, they stick out like this much past where the factory ones do, and I hate the look. But I gotta mention, the OEM ones go stupid hard. Like, you can't tell me that's probably not one of the best looking. I get very faint like Supra vibes from it. Tell me what you think in the comments, or am I just coping right now? But yeah, but that's gonna be a wrap for this one at least. So let me know what you think about everything that we did today, like the new lighting in the back, which to you guys won't matter much, but I can pretty much walk wherever now, and like there's decent light. I would like to add some cool like bars of light out here just to like make it better, so when we evidently film stuff in the winter here, like I won't have like this random dark spot back here, or I can at least work on the vehicle from this side and still have good light. Here, let Ivy into here because she's been screaming at me. Yeah, I know. Hey, can I come in? But you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. We got gonna be doing some more videos soon, like brake upgrade pretty quick. And then once we do brakes, we're good to start tracking. Then we're gonna be doing some track days. So until then, thanks.